Welcome to the University of Florida Thompson Earth Systems Institute's Florida Research Roundup. Each month, we highlight important environmental research from Florida's universities. My name is Felipe De La Guerra, and here are some noteworthy studies our team is following this month. Certain fish may be key in controlling cyanobacterial mat growth on reefs, according to a study from Florida State University. Bacteria play an important role in reef ecosystems by producing nitrogen. Recently, however, bacteria have gone from covering around 0.01% to covering 20% in some reefs. These bacteria form dense agglomerations, known as mats. As the bacterial population booms, the resulting nitrogen increase can throw the biogeochemistry of the ecosystem out of balance, suffocating the coral, according to one of the study authors. It was previously thought that fish do not eat the bacteria in these mats, but the researchers observed certain fish feeding on them in Caribbean reefs. The authors note that fish might play an important part in controlling mat growth, emphasizing the need for further research. Researchers at Florida International University have shown that saltwater in coastal sawgrass marshes can lead to peat collapse, lowering soil level in an environment already threatened by sea level rise. The researchers, which included members of the Everglades Foundation, subjected areas of Everglades marsh to normal and elevated salinity levels, revealing the impact that saltwater intrusion can have. The atmospheric carbon that coastal wetland plants capture and store in the soil help elevate the soil level, but as salinity increases, roots that shore up the soil can die off, causing the land to sink. In normal salinity environments, soil elevation can counteract the effects of sea level rise, so restoring freshwater is vital. Researchers indicate that restoration of freshwater will keep plants healthy and prevent sinking, which is crucial in an environment that helps mitigate threats from storms and flooding. In the first study of its kind, researchers from the University of South Florida found that more than 4 billion tiny particles of plastic, known as microplastics, are floating in Tampa Bay's waters. While these plastics are less than 1/8 of an inch in size and undetectable to the human eye, they can be harmful to marine life. Microplastics can block the intestines of fish and invertebrates. And since chemicals can easily latch onto the plastic particles, they can mimic hormones that can leave marine life unable to reproduce. The study's lead author says that the numbers in this preliminary study are conservative, but that this provides an important baseline for future studies of this kind. This way, scientists can see if management efforts such as banning straws and plastic bags will make a difference. Researchers from the University of Florida found that seagrass meadows put down deep roots and exist in the same spot for hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. Seagrass meadows are important biodiversity hotspots and provide nursery habitats for 70% of Florida's economically important fish. They also help buffer wave energy, improve water quality and clarity, and stabilize the seafloor. This study shows that the location of where the seagrasses exist is crucial to their biodiversity and productivity. Florida's chief science officer and study co-author, Tom Frazier, says that the study shows that we may not be able to make up for seagrass loss by establishing a new meadow elsewhere, heightening the need for immediate action to improve water quality around the state. That's our Florida Research Roundup for this month. To learn more about the studies mentioned here, visit bit.ly/FL Research Roundup and subscribe to our Earth to Florida newsletter in the link below. Thanks for watching.